Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's reading is about the October monthly prediction for the zodiac sign of Leo. So, let's see, Leo, what angels have in store for you in the month of October. So, we will look into the messages from the angels' answers, the life purpose oracle, and the romance angels later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So, from the tarot deck, we have for you the King of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Death card. Okay. Then we have the Six of Swords. And we have the Sun card. Wow, a very positive card. Then we have the Page of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Ace of Cups as well. And we have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. And we have the Nine of Cups. Okay. Okay, so Leo, I feel that the month of October is going to be all about transformations and success for you people. Yes, and yes, I feel that you people are going to be very confident and very energetic. Yes, in the month of October, and also yes, some of you are going to be highly ambitious as well. And for those of you who are single, or also for those of you who are in a relationship, like you people could yes, take your relationship to the next level. Possibly you could get married as well in the month of October. Yes, those of you who are single, yes, someone new is going to come into your life and you could be getting that marriage proposal as well. Yes, and for those of you who are into an unhealthy relationship, into a toxic relationship, I feel that you people are going to end your relationship and move towards a new beginning, because I feel that a beautiful new beginning is ahead for you people in the month of October. Yes, and also for those of you who are getting married, yes, and who will be getting marriage proposals as well. Yes, that marriage is going to be like everything you people wished for. Yes, and also that a relationship, that marriage, it is going to be a very loving and prosperous relationship. Yes, and also yes, for some of you, I feel that you could be welcoming a child in your home. As I feel that there is a birth of a child in the month of October. Yes, and also at your work and in your career, like whatever you do, you are going to be very successful at it. Yes, and financially also, yes, the month of October looks really great for you. Yes, and you people are going to be very sound and secure financially. Yes, and some of you could also be starting something of your own, like your own business as well in the month of October. Yes, and yes, your wishes are going to be fulfilled. Yes. uh, and also I feel that some of you could move to a new country, could be like after you get married, or also uh, some of you could even travel because of your work as well. And also for those of you who are into business, like you people could be expanding the horizons of your business as well. Yes. And also in the month of October, for those of you who are who have applied for some jobs and who are looking to get that job offer, yes, in the month of October, yes, you could get that offer from the job you always wanted. Yes, a very beautiful month is ahead for you, Leo. There are new beginnings and success and victory. Yes. And a very stable and secure time as well for you. But one thing is, I feel that for some of you, like for very few of you, I feel that you need to take care of your chest, because could be you might have some minor problems, like could be because of cold or anything. So yes, some of you, like you could, you need to take care of your health as well. Other than that, like everything looks very great in the month of October. Yes. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So, from the romance angels, we have for you, you deserve love. Okay. And we have romantic feelings. Okay. So, yes, like some of you, as I told you earlier, you could have, ended a relationship if it was unhealthy for you. Yes. So, you might feel that you people are not lovable, and you know uh, you people might be worried about your love life as well. So angels, they are reminding you that yes, you deserve love because you are a very loving person, a very loving soul as well. Yes. And you people are always about sharing love and giving love to others. So yes, you deserve love. And yes, there are going to be new beginnings, new love offer coming into your way. And possibly I feel that you could be getting married as well in the month of October. So yes, you do not need to worry about your love life. Yes, because you deserve love, Leo. And also we have romantic feelings. So yes, some of you, you might meet someone new, and you might not be sure whether to go for this relationship or not. Like yes, angels, they are uh, you know reminding you that yes, your feelings are real and worth exploring. And yes, you deserve love. And also with this card, I feel that some of you, you could be taking uh, care of yourself. Like for some of you, it could be about self love as well. Like you could be going and going for some, like spending a day at a spa, or like getting that massage and all. Like yes, it could be also for like that. And also for some of you, I feel that the one you are in a relationship with, like they could be buying some gifts, and yes, they could be pampering you with their love. So yes, your love life also looks really great in the month of October. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the Life Purpose Oracle, and how is your work career going to be in detail. So we have builder. Your innate ability to build and create brings you a deep sense of accomplishment. Okay. Then we have healer. You have the spiritual gift of healing and a desire to share it with others. Then we have practice. Polish your skills by practicing regularly. Okay. And we have let go. Walk away from this situation in order to resolve it. Okay. So, yes, uh, some of you, you may work, in a construction business or anything where you create something very beautiful. Like some of you could be into designing business, could be furniture, or also I feel that some of you could be an architect as well. Yes, and yes, you are going to be very successful as well in your work. Yes, and also some of you could work for the welfare of others. Yes, in some organization, or also I feel that you could be a doctor as well, like you work to heal other people. Yes, you are a very helpful person, Leo. And also uh, some of you might have some skills, some talents. Perhaps you could you know uh, be learning music as well. And yes, angels, they are reminding you that yes, you need to keep practicing regularly. And yes, you are going to be successful in whatever is that you are pursuing. And also uh, some of you could work for animals welfare, like rescuing dogs or something like that. Yes, and also with this card I feel that angels, they are reminding you that you need to let go of any pride or any ego that comes your way as you move ahead in the path of success. Yes, so you need to let go of any pride and ego. And also for some of you, like you need to let go of any negative emotions as well, uh, that is not serving you for your highest good. Yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the angels answers, what guidance we have for you in the month of October. So we have for you opportunity. Okay, then we have be assertive, and we have look for a sign. Okay, so yes, Leo, positive growth and expansion is ahead for you in the month of October. And some of you, you people could be trying to create any changes in your career, or also could be in your love life. Like you could be wanting to create that extra romance and that bonding with your partner. So yes, angels, they are going to open a door of opportunities for you people, but angels are guiding you that you need to make that forward movement to work to create any changes, and also to work on the ideas you already have, and towards that new beginning and towards that success. Yes, you need to take the matter in your own hands and move ahead with confidence as well. Yes, and also angels, they are guiding you that you know uh, that you are on the right path. Yes, and they are giving you messages and answers that you have been seeking. Could be through some signs, could be in your dreams as well. Yes, so you need to look for those signs that angels are going to give you. So yes, Leo, the month of October looks really great for you people. So yes, that was all for you. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Leo. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope you all have a great month ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.